Yeah man, people check in. I don't know, it's your boy Pappy. I'm there with Mr. Ashy. The boss just done match up some home style KFC.
Yo, what's good guys? Welcome back to the channel. You don't know, say your boy Mr. Ashy ready. So
Your boy Mr. Oshi.
your boy Mr. Ashy, Josh Lifestyle, J.A. Josh Lifestyle. Yeah guys, so today I say I'm gonna give myself a challenge, you see me? I make some home style KFC. So what I'm gonna do, everybody don't know how KFC tastes already. So I'm gonna see if I can get some spices and ingredients to make my fried chicken taste like KFC, you see me? Yeah, we're gonna taste it and see how close it go to actual KFC people. So stay tuned and watch what go on. You don't know, say it's gonna be a banger. So make sure to like, share, subscribe. Road to 3K. You see me peeps, that is it. Yo, what is good guys? So right now we're in the kitchen, you see me people. So we get our chicken clean up, you see me? Cause I don't know say KFC.
We're gonna cook KFC today.
Yeah.
We're cooking KFC.
Yeah.
We're making KFC today, and we're gonna eat it, and we're gonna make fries and eggs ready, and make a juice with the blender. Our juice, we're gonna use us.
You wanna make a juice with the blender?
Yeah.
As you can see, the kids are excited to make KFC people. I don't know. Never know say I saw them do well while make KFC.
Yes.
Wrap your lamp for me back guys.
I've done it. I've done it.
So just like get the chicken clean up as I was telling you before. So I want to get rid of as much fat as possible. But to be honest, there's the scissors today. Because you don't know, say, the scissors are my hidden tool. You see me? That make life easier for me. So yeah. So we'll get back to the knife. But for now, I'll go and use the scissors.
You've been doing that.
That is it, people. So right now, we have the two halves of the chicken. One of them spicy and one of them regular. So we're gonna season them up now. Stay tuned and watch how go on. Alright peeps, so we'll get some of the milk on the chicken now. You see me? And then you know we're gonna season this up and make them sit for like 30 minutes. So everything, the flavor and the seasoning can go and penetrate deeply into the meat. And we have a hot sauce we're gonna use. Don't mind Jacia guys, Jacia I do our homework and that's how she stay. So yeah. We'll get some of the hot sauce for this. So this one alone, I'll get the hot sauce. Alright, so I give it a little mix. Alright peeps, so we have a seasoning here. You see me? So I mix it around. Yeah. Nice little mix. Then add it to the original first. Then spicy. And if you need more, you can just make some more. Try to get a mix, but one and me I use people. So when I done mix it, I check in back with you. Alright people, so I get some garlic oil in it. Same speed. Yeah. Then I'm gonna want some jerk sauce. I think KFC uses, but I don't use too much. Oops. Alright, this done now. Island spice. Add a little bit to the marinade. Oops. I almost spill out somewhere like that. And then lastly, some paprika. Yeah. Oh, not too much. Alright, still. Alright, people. So, I'm gonna try to get some of this out and then we mix them up. Oh, guys, my mom forgot to add my scallion. We add some to the mix. Yeah. So, we're gonna mix this round and we're gonna see what go on in due time. Alright people, see it here. This is the original. You know, I see it properly. let me show you the spicy. Alright, so this is the spicy, people. As you can see, it have a reddish color to it. Cream looking. But yeah, that is it. Alright, people, so I drop this into the fridge. Yeah, I'm gonna add on time to it too. I get the next one. These are the originals, and this is the spicy. So 2 of them are going right now for about 30 minutes, and then we'll take them out back, flour coat them and fry them. So stay tuned and watch what's going. Alright, peeps. So I get out with chicken, as you can see. I have my flour and my egg wash. So we mix out this. So I get the original. Yeah. This is the original, people. As you can see, they marinate for a good while. So we'll say, take a shot. Alright, people, so as you know, these are spicy and these are original. So what we have to do, we have to fry the original first, and then we'll go along with the spicy. We have my egg wash, you see me? I have my flour, mixing the seasoning them. Don't add too much seasoning when I do that, guys, because remember this already have seasoning, so you don't want to overpower it. We're gonna take them out, dip them in the flour, then we dip them in the egg wash. Then we dip them back in the marinade, and then we dip them back in the flour. So maximum seasoning efficiency, you see me, people.
Sketch, you tell him.
Alright, peeps. So I'm gonna get one piece, show them the one piece, and then we'll do the rest. So get some of the ribs off, right? So I dip it in the flour first. Then shake it, dip it in the egg wash. And then I dip it in this again. Then I get it back out without the herbs and dip it back in the flour. Yeah, people. So after I do that, then I just put in the oil. So yeah, I get this one in right now. Yeah, so that's the first one. So I get some more done and check in back with it. Alright, people, so this is what we're working with, isn't it? So as you can see, it's a touch with the color. This is all the original. See, no more original left. Just the spicy. You see me, people. So I go see what I go on. Ready? This is the first one I add. Yes, one more time. So when I check him back, in time, ready to flip. As you can see, the seasoning look like it transferred well to the chicken, as you can see. So the steak in our gone. Yeah, taste system and then done. So can you see what I got? Alright people, check in. So as you can see, they will fry up nicely. I have to give them a flip occasionally so them to burn it on one side. Yeah. But this is what it looks so far. So just stay in the water gone until they're done.
Sketch, you tell 'em.
Alright people, so the original are going fried. So I get one of the spicy them and go and flour them up, isn't it? Alright people, so this is the first one I'm gonna get out. Isn't it? Yeah. The rest of them go and fry a little bit more. Isn't it? But yeah, this is the first one. And we have the spicy over here at the same time. So this is going to wait till them done. So we can take them out quick and fast. Alright people. So all of them done now. So I get them out quick and fast. Yeah, and we're gonna start with the spicy. Yeah, people, so this is the first one. I'll deal with the rest and come back.
Sketch, you tell 'em.
Alright guys, so this is the first spicy.
I like spicy.
Like spicy?
Yes, I like
The
spicy.
originals over here. People, I like one spicy over. Yeah, so people know what they're going. Then we'll set.
Yes, I like
Let's start.
spicy.
Yeah.
Everyone likes spicy, though.
Alright people, the KFC done cook. You see me, so I got sample it and make you know what go on. Yeah, so stay tuned. Alright people, check in. So I have my share. Yes, Jessica. To be honest guys, the spicy one tastes more like KFC to me. Alright people, say next piece here. So I dip in some ketchup. Make you see what go on. KFC that people. Try the spicy way. The spicy way tastes more like KFC, to be honest. No joke. Like KFC?
I don't like ketchup.
You don't like ketchup?
Yeah man, people, check in. I don't know, it's your boy Pappy. I'm there here with Mr. Ashy. The boss just done match up some home style KFC. But me it have mine off camera before the camera get fit on and see it. But we just there if you make you know say the bad and thing. So more wanna like, comment, share and subscribe. That is it, you know. We out here without fear.
That is it, one Pappy as me. Make sure if you like, share, subscribe too. The sun.
Yeah, here, man, me all like that name. Anyways, people, I'm gonna go and big up on yourself. We're out here.